Namaste, this video is about the shift from second dimension to fifth dimension reality. We are moving towards the age of Aquarius. We were living in the age of Pisces since the last 20,000 years. But now we are moving into the age of Aquarius where the bird thinking predominates. So we can no longer survive thinking like a reptile or a fish. We have to think like a bird now, which means that the definition of common sense changes. Whereas for a mouse, every little obstacle will appear big because it is small and it is crawling on the ground. For a rat in the rat race, every obstacle becomes huge. But in the age of Aquarius, where you are a bird, you can just fly over the obstacles. You don't have to walk and crawl and climb the steps. You just fly over the obstacles by using your mind, visualization, spirituality, and you completely change your beliefs about what is good and what is bad. So in the age of Aquarius, you would find extramarital affairs are common, and they are not necessarily bad or intentionally negative. They are only to help a marriage work. The age of Aquarius, you will find that people are much more broad-minded. They can share their wealth, they can share their partners, as long as they are not hurt by each other. The age of Aquarius does not insist on marriage. It is fine with living with lovers, with having more flexibility in relationships. The age of Aquarius, usually women take decisions more than men. You will find that a lot of women are ruling money in the age of Aquarius because women survive more easily on hope than men do. Men are more realistic, whereas women can fly more easily on hope. You would also find that people live a lot on loans in the age of Aquarius. In fifth dimension reality, money loses its value and a lot of people live on credit cards and loans, simply because when you take a loan, you have to repay it in the future. So you have to fly to the future to repay a loan. When you are spending in the present, you are not flying very far. But if you are taking a loan which has to be repaid in 5 years, you are alive for 5 years to repay that loan. You are flying for 5 years. So you are thinking of the future when you are taking a loan now. So credit cards, loans become more popular than actual cash in the age of Aquarius. So a lot of people can choose between 2D and 5D, second dimensional reality and fifth dimensional reality. But happiness is higher in fifth dimensional reality. Positivity is higher, spirituality is higher, religion is less. Wars are less, respect is more in fifth dimensional reality. So it's a choice of where you exist to be in the same earth. On the same planet, there will be dimensional differences in how you define happiness, how you feel happiness, how you choose to conduct your life. And it is said that gods, humans and demons will walk on the same planet, but they will exist in different dimensions of thinking. So thinking will diverge. Lanes of thinking will diverge, lanes of creation will diverge. And you don't have to obey the negative people anymore because you are entering the age of Aquarius. And while they are crawling, they are surviving, you can fly. And you can, if they don't agree with your method of flying, with your method of thinking, you can simply detach from them and fly, because birds detach easily. So in the age of Aquarius, the lesson is detachment. Past life therapy, inner child healing, spirit releasement help a lot in detachment and in reaching heaven. So age of Aquarius is the route to heaven, and salvation for a lot of people will be given at this time because dimensions are shifting and soul lessons are ending. We are moving towards higher grades. So a lot will be given forgiveness and salvation, simply so that they are able to move to 5D. It is a choice of each soul. It is free will. There is no compulsion. But if you are spiritual, you can definitely move towards 5D and leave 2D without guilt. Thank you.